The kettlebell swing is hands down one of the best exercises for building total body strength, explosive power, and cardio endurance all at the same time. But learning the swing can be confusing, and a lot of trainers overcomplicate it. So in this video, I'm gonna try to show you a clear and simple way to master the kettlebell swing in under 5 minutes. And when you're ready to jump into a fun and effective kettlebell swing program, check out my 100 swings a day challenge, linked in the description below. Now, let's dive in. Stand a foot away from the kettlebell, feet shoulder width and pointed slightly out. Prime the hamstrings and glutes with the hip hinge position. Push your butt back and put your hands on your knees like a shortstop in baseball. Drive your chest up and push your shoulders down and away from your ears to activate the lats. Now that your posterior chain is fired up, reach for the kettlebell while keeping a neutral spine. Tilt the bell back so the handle forms an extension of your arms. With your core tight and feet flat, you're ready for the swing. The swing motion begins with a hike pass, much like the snap in football. Stay in the hip hinge position and sweep the kettlebell off the floor with straight arms. Aim to get your forearms in contact with your inner thighs. Think about pulling with your lats and pushing with your triceps. At the full backswing position, the hamstrings are stretched back and the kettlebell is loaded like a slingshot. Squeeze your butt as you extend the hips and stand up straight. Imagine a jump where your feet stay glued to the floor. Keep the forearms tight against the inner thighs until the hips snap forward, launching the kettlebell from your hips like a stone from a slingshot. Allow the bell to float up between belly and chest height. Stay tall and keep your lats, core, and glutes engaged so the kettlebell doesn't yank you forward or fly too high. Allow the bell to swing back with long, loose arms. Stay tall. Catch the kettlebell by reconnecting the forearms to the inner thighs and repeat the hip hinge. Swing for the desired number of reps. When your set is over, catch the kettlebell in the backswing, stay in the hinge, and guide the bell back to the ground in a reverse hike pass. Stand up, shake out the tension, and try to catch your breath. Well, there you go, the kettlebell swing made simple. And if you want more no-fluff kettlebell tutorials, click here.